If you guys are going to someone's garage to get a vinyl wrap or work done, it was bad. That is a little bit of a red flag in my books. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have another vehicle in the shop about to undergo a full transformation, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the story behind this vehicle right here. I don't want to go too much into it, but I'm going to brush up on it. And this actually is a little bit of a sad story, and it happens more often than you think. A lot of times people hit us up inquiring about vinyl wraps, about getting work done, and I get it. Sometimes we are a little too out of budget, or we might be a little bit more expensive than some of the other guys. And that is a little bit of the story of what happened with this Volkswagen. Unfortunately, she went and got the vehicle vinyl wrapped by another shop. And you know, a lot of things that went into it. One of them was the quality of the film that wasn't the greatest. And the second was obviously the skill set of the installer who installed the film. I get people always like to start off somewhere, and people do start off somewhere. However, if you guys are going to someone's garage to get a vinyl wrap or work done, that is a little bit of a red flag in my books. You want to go with someone who has a portfolio, someone who you can actually see their work up close and personal, and someone who has a shop, someone who has a flagship location, who has a physical location. You can go there. You know, they've been there for years, such as ourselves and such as a whole bunch of other reputable shops in the Denver metro area. So this vehicle, like I said, it was vinyl wrapped in a gloss black. I'm not going to mention the name of the vinyl wrap. However, I'm going to mention some of the vinyl wraps that we recommend. And starting off with 3M, Avery Dennison, KPMF, there's a Tech, and there's probably one or two other vinyl brands that I'd recommend. Anything other than that, if it is a cheap vinyl brand, just stay free and clear away from that. The material that was used on this vehicle had a ton of orange peel and had a ton of glue lines. And when you're using a cheaper brand film of material, it is a lot more difficult to install. The air release behind the vinyl isn't as good. So all of those go with the fit and finish of the vehicle. Luckily for her, the dealership removed the old wrap, so I'm not able to show you guys what it looks like right now, but she was able to send us some pictures and some videos of kind of the troubled areas, and I'll show you guys that here right now. So there were some areas with some fingering, some material pullback, and some failure. It wasn't the worst wrap that I've ever seen. I've definitely seen a lot worse, but it was bad. Bad enough to go back to the dealership and complain to the dealership, get the wrap removed, and they're taking some further action, but I'm not going to get into too much with that. But now let's skip to the good part. She is in great hands now. We've already started disassembling the vehicle. We've gotten the door handles off. We are going to be removing the window trim. We're going to be removing the mirrors and some other trim on the vehicle, just so that way we could get maximum coverage. And just like our other videos, our second name is Matte Black Customs. This vehicle is going to be getting vinyl wrapped in satin black, and we're also going to be sticking with some of the gloss black accents. Currently from the factory, the mirrors and the wheels are gloss black, so we're going to be wrapping the door handles in gloss black and the roof in gloss black, just to break it up a little bit and give it some of that contrast. The guys have already started disassembling it. Santana has already started cutting out some of the film. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. The Volkswagen Tiguan is all complete and it's looking better than ever before. If you guys remember, this client did get the vehicle wrapped somewhere else, and the previous company really didn't use the greatest brand. And if you guys know anything about vinyl or film, the brand of film that you use is a major part of the quality of the installation. This vehicle was all complete in the Avery Dennison Satin Black, which has a beautiful finish to it, not too much orange peel, and very little to no glue lines, which on the previous wrap had a ton of orange peel and a ton of glue lines. If you guys come in and take a closer look, the customer was a little unsure if she wanted to go with a satin black or a gloss black. Originally, she was really set on the gloss black. However, gloss black with vinyl and paint is very difficult to take care of, and it just shows a lot more imperfections, and it shows a lot more of that orange peel and the finish of the film. With the satin black, we did decide to go with some gloss black accents, such as the roof and the door handles. From the factory, the mirrors and the wheels were painted in gloss black, as well as some of the trim on the front end. So one of the things I think looks really good is that gloss black and that satin black contrast. As you guys can see, it's looking very aggressive, it looks very sexy, and it just doesn't get better than this. And last but not least, we did also tint the full vehicle in our Lumar ceramic 15% on all the sides and the back glass, and then we went with a 50% on the front windshield just to top it off. But that'll do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this Volkswagen Tiguan in the comments below, and thank you for watching another episode of Matte Black Customs.